Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Ford F-150 Lariat. This one has the 2.7 liter EcoBoost V6. I gotta sneeze. Sorry, I apologize. That probably blew out your eardrums. But you know what? You gotta sneeze sometimes. Smoked quartz tint coat, metallic black leather trim. In the interior, 57780 with some nice brown stitching. I firmly believe if I had to put my money towards one of these, Lariat is probably the way I'd go. Yeah, the King Ranch is great. I mean, if I had unlimited money, of course I'd buy the King Ranch. But for the price, you really can't beat this. Where's the bump? There it is. The rear's gonna hit right there. I love these trucks. They are so nice. Even after just stepping out of the Raptor, this still moves pretty well. Yeah, of course, if you want all the power in the world, go get a Raptor. But I don't know. This is pretty cool. Love this truck. Oh, this little thing is gorgeous. I mean, I'm sitting here and I'm like, this is perfect. I'm not begging for more luxury at all. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.